please walk to the beach, being careful of the strong current. Thanks.
Yeah, look, good view from here.
Welcome to Teamboat Springs. For your safety, please remain seated in the raft and hold on to the handles with both hands. As soon as you reach the bottom of the slide, please walk to the beach.
It's Evie's turn now.
Strong current.
Eve, I'm started filming already, but you can...
Okay. Where's Boo?
Welcome to Teamboat Springs. For your safety, please remain seated in the raft and hold on to the handles with both hands. As soon as you reach the bottom of the slide, please walk to the beach, being careful of the strong current.
Evie, sit there, that's it. Like, the hands on the clock. At least hold on to it. It is upside down there.
Is it? Okay.
Just catch some good waves. There's expedition at rest there.
Eve, film
Here we go. Down we go. Upside down.
Snowdrift ahead. Uh-oh. Oh, we're gonna be rained on. We're gonna get rained on. Oh.
Enjoy it, Boo.
Yeah, is this you? Is this the end?
There we go. Zip, 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 zip.
Uh-oh.
Film, Mum. Film, Mum.
Now can we get out? Not yet. When the
get out.
lady in the red swimming costume says yeah. They're ready to get out.